Dear friends, welcome to Dental Education Hub YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the CPITN-C probe and its measurements. So what we are going to discuss in this session? In this session, we'll talk about introduction to the CPITN-C probe. We will talk about the CPITN-C probes, different pictures of CPITN-C probes. We will talk about the CPITN-C probe markings. So let's begin. The CPITN-C probe. The CPITN stand for the Community Periodontal Index of Treatment Needs, and the last C means clinical. So Community Periodontal Index of Treatment Need, clinical probe. So this probe is used for assessing the periodontal treatment needs. So let's see the two pictures of the CPITN-C probe. So this is the most common picture. So this is one of the CPITN-C probe that is commercially available. So there's a ball and there are two black bands. This probe is also a CPITN-C probe in which instead of a second black band, there are two black rings. Both of the probes, they are CPITN-C probe, but the only difference is instead of a complete black band, a complete second black band, there are two black rings. There are two black rings at the beginning and at the end of the second black band. Now we will discuss the CPITN probe markings. This is the ball, and the ball has a diameter of around 0.5 millimeter. The ball, it helps in the detection of dental calculus in the subgingival pockets, and the ball, it also prevents the damage to the underlying connective tissue, which is sometimes inflamed as well. Though the end of the ball, end of this CPITN-C probe, it is safe because of the shape, ball shape, but the pressure, the instrument must be carefully inserted with not more than 20 grams pressure. This is the beginning of the first black band. This first black band, it is present at 3.5 millimeter, and this is the end of the first black band, and the end of the first black band is at 5.5 millimeter. This is the second black band in the CPITN-C probe, and it is present at 8.5 millimeter, and the second black band, it ends at 11.5 millimeter. So this is about the CPITN-C probe markings. The probe, it is usually made up of stainless steel, so it can be reused again and again after proper disinfection and sterilization. So thank you very much for watching this lecture. If you have any question related to CPITN-C probe, do ask in the comments below. Do follow us on Instagram for questions, images, and flashcards. Again, thank you very much for watching this lecture.